Hey guys, and welcome to the Tech Side. Today I'm going to be showing you how to play Game Boy Advance games without any app or any sort of thing you have to install and worry about getting taken off your device because of revokes. All you have to do is go to this simple website and start playing your favorite games. So first of all, you're going to want to go to this website called igbaemu.com/app, and I'll have that in the description so you can just scroll right down and click that link. What you're going to want to do first is you're going to want to not add ROM, but go up to this shop right here. And when you see that, it's going to take you to this game hub where you can find practically all the games you're going to want. I mean, if you can't find anything here, you can go into the add ROM and find the custom ROM online and paste a link in there, but it's kind of a pain. It's a lot more easy just to be able to go here and click on your favorite games. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just go to the IGBA official, and my favorite Game Boy game has honestly got to be Super Mario Advance 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to scroll down until I see Super Mario and find Super Mario Advance 4 right here. Now as soon as you click on it, it's going to tell you that it has been added to your library, which is perfect. So you're going to want to press OK and then go to that corner. And that corner again and press the arrow. Now once you scroll down, you can see your games. Now I've already added Mario Party Advance just to test this out before I made the video, but here's where all of your games are going to be. So we just added Super Mario, so it's going to load here, and we have Super Mario running straight from the browser. And note, this isn't even Safari. I'm using this on Google Chrome. I just want to test it more on a third-party browser and see if it even worked on that. And sure enough, it works on pretty much any browser on the iPhone, and it runs flawlessly too. As you can see, it runs so well. The only issue is that there's currently no audio. If you see, I turn up the phone and we still have no sound. That may come in the future, but we'll see. I'm not the developer of this, or do I know the developer? So I guess we'll just have to wait and see if anything develops to where we can hear the sound in the games. But for me, this is perfect because I can just go on this website whenever I want and start playing my favorite games. So let's start with Super Mario Bros. World, and I'll show you guys how to save the file. Alright, so let's say we want to stop here and we just want to save this file for when we come back later, or save this game. So we're going to go to this menu button right here and we're going to press Save Progress. Now that's literally going to save our progress, so then we can go out of here and refresh, and then come back, and it'll say loaded save. I don't know if you saw that up in the top corner, which means our save has been loaded into the game, and I believe we can load it here. I mean, I didn't really have anything saved, so it didn't really save anything from my game because I didn't lose any lives or start really anything new, but in theory it would save your game. Say I beat a level or two, it would save my game to where I could just come right back anytime and play this again. But there you go, guys. That's how you get Game Boy Advance games right off of your browser without having to install anything, any app, any Game Boy for iOS anymore. You can just go straight on your browser and play it with no questions asked, no extra steps involved, and it's that simple. Thanks for watching, guys. Let me know if you have any questions down in the comments below, and be sure to share this video with your friends because I think it is super cool that we're able to do this. Again, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys later.